And it can't just be any spade, it's going to have to be a strong one. Through the cold frost, the garden does not give away, but endures. It does not banish hope, but instead stays still and listens to the earth's whispers. Steadfast in trusting the whispers will show the best way to wait for the returning sun. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, depending on wherever you are in the world. My name is Phil Campion, as it says on my van, which is broken down again for about the fourth time. Now, it is an old van. I quite like that fact. It's a model that's got a particularly strong engine. And yes, I'm having to get repairs done on it. It's part of life. Once the major repairs are done, this thing's probably going to last forever. It's an old van, which kind of suits an old owner. Oldish, anyway. Now, we will not be beat. And in the name of my mentoring program, Wisdom from the Garden, we will persevere no matter what. And that's why this morning I will be using or borrowing this Motability scooter. And yes, I'm going to have to put that blower in the backpack, and my forks are going to be sticking out of the backpack, which in fact is in the van. So let's have it before we forget. Oh, and look, even broken spade, but this is my special spade with this metal shaft, and it's really good for breaking up the lumps in the soil. That's going to be sticking out of there. We're going to have to strap that on somehow, but we're working locally, so it doesn't matter. Doesn't matter if the van, is there and I can't use it. Basically, I've got transport. So, just to say also, I am writing my book, which is also called Wisdom from the Garden, and you will be hearing about that very soon. So, let's get started. So, first things first, I am going to go on the Motability Chariot to buy a new spade. So here we are then, just arriving to the entrance of Screwfix, where we want to get a new spade. And it can't just be any spade, it's going to have to be a strong one, heavy duty. It's going to have to withstand the kind of pressure that I'm going to give it, and hopefully they've got one. I will say it is quite amusing coming up here on this Mobility Chariot, people getting out the way and smiling, and little do they know that I'm off to do a full day's grafting, and I'm not an invalid. It's just my van on its drive, the poor thing needing repair. A bit of success. We've I keep saying we. That's because I like to join people in. So I've purchased my new spade. Look, let's get going. here we are at the customer's garden, and in this area here, this lovely little area here, it's almost like sort of semi woodland in a way, that kind of feel. And I'm going to create like a classic S-shaped border in this area here, and as usual we'll be having wisdom from the garden and lessons in life as we go. At this present time, my wife is quite seriously ill in hospital. I won't go into too much detail, but she is getting treatment, and this is affecting me mentally. Now, although I am a mentor, I help people with problems and things in their lives, I would be in denial if I said that my wife in hospital isn't affecting me, because it is. But I'm someone that knows the skills of helping myself and also encouraging my wife. So I've just wanted to say that, and thank you for watching. After a few hours of hard graft, you can probably just make out now this curve shape to this edge of this what's going to be a flower border is like an elongated S, and that's what we call the classic S in landscaping. And that was life lesson, wisdom from the garden, endurance. No, it's not the ballot box.